In this video, we analyze a geometric figure made of a large square, subdivided into smaller equal squares, exactly as shown in the image. Our goal is to determine the total number of squares contained in this figure, of all possible sizes. Stay until the end to discover the surprising total. We start by considering the smallest squares, also called unit squares. Horizontally, the large square contains 4 unit squares. Vertically, the large square also contains 4 unit squares. Therefore, the number of unit squares is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. Next, we count the squares composed of 4 unit squares. Starting from the top left corner, we identify one such square. By shifting this square 1 unit to the right, we obtain 3 squares on the top row. Repeating the same process 1 unit downward, we again find 3 squares. Repeating this process once more, we find 3 additional squares. Thus, the number of squares composed of 4 unit squares is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Now we consider the squares composed of 9 unit squares. Starting from the top left corner, we identify one such square. Shifting it 1 unit to the right gives a second square. Then shifting downward gives 2 additional squares. Therefore, the number of squares composed of 9 unit squares is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So the number of squares we counted until here is 16 plus 9 plus 4. And we count the main square itself, which adds one more square to our total. So the total number of squares is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 30. Even though the figure looks simple, it actually contains many more squares than most people expect. This problem shows how careful observation and systematic counting lead to the correct result. If you learned from this geometric challenge, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves math puzzles. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.